Hello, today we are going to do video and really lucky, just to let you know. So, yeah, this is my first ever voice time, so I hope you enjoy. I actually love this outfit. She's scared. Okay, she went scared. Okay. I tried to live stream, but it never worked, so it's really disappointing. So, there's my cat over there. It's so laggy as well, just to let you know. I'll show you how to change your email. I just showed my email by accident. Oh, if you shout to my ear, you know what to do. Okay, whoever loves my avatar, I hate my avatar. I don't know what these shoes are, but I'm not American. I'll just say I'm American, because I am not American. There was this boy in school, in high school, and he's like so American. He says, "Oi, oi," and then I've never used this recorder before. I've only used it one time, but it was a long time ago. Okay, so let's start with the video. Okay. First up, I'm going to show you my YouTube. Bye guys. I'm sorry this is very bad. Bye.